How to fix update stuck on initializing error in Destiny 2. 1. Run both the Battle.net launcher and Battle.net as administrator. 2. Delete Battle.net folder at C:\program data / run Battle.net and update the game. 3. Delete the Battle.net cache folder and Blizzard Entertainment at %program data %. Restart the Battle.net desktop app and relaunch the game. 4. Play Destiny 2 in Windows Clean Boot. Note, you may stop the following. Reported apps from running: Ultraman X64, Roachcat Power Grid, Connectivity app to display PC status on another device, Brother Printer status monitor and software, Dell Printer status monitor and software, Epson Printer software. And try disabling these items: OBS, Split, GeForce Experience, AMD Gaming Evolved /Raptor, MSI Afterburner, Steam Overlay, Discord Overlay. Perhaps any other program that overlays something on top of your games. Any other video recording software. 5. Power cycle your network equipment, router / modem. 6. Flush system DNS. Commands include IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / flush IP protocol configuration / renew netshare in IP reset netshare winsock reset 7. Run a full scan of the computer with the recommended Avast internet security in this video guide. 8. Temporarily disable any security program. 9. Terminate Battle.net updater and / or Battle.net. Processes via WTM. 10. Rename the original Destiny 2 installation directory and reinstall the game later. 11. Clear storage space. And run Windows Update. 12. Delete Blizzard configurations at % of data %. Check these 3 subfolders: local, local low, roaming. 12. Uninstall then reinstall. Your Destiny 2. Like this. 13. Update your BIOS. 14. Lower Destiny 2 video settings. To do so, cap your frame rate at 30 or 60. Set all options to low or disable things like HDR, wind effects, motion blur. Turn off and/or lower anti-aliasing, ambient occlusion, and isotropic filtering. 15. Turn off GPU/CPU/RAM overclocking, if you are using a low-end PC. Plan B, lower the CPU. Clock speed. 16. Delete Destiny 2 custom player settings file, bars.xml at c:\users/year_name_here_score_name_backlash_update_bungee_destiny_pc/preps/. 17. Save a copy of gfsdk_aftermath_lib.dll at destiny2/bin/x64 into c:\program files/destiny2 /. 18. Make the secondary logon service run automatically. 19. Change the value of latest. Updates and future patch data to 0 KB/s in Blizzard settings. 20. Move Destiny 2 installation folder to the desktop. Reinstall the app via Blizzard app.